Yeah, it is kind of deep, I guess. I didn't think it was that much snow. What's the deal, y'all? Got my throwback Impala Boys. It's been a minute since I threw that on. Man, so we got our first big snow. And I can't find none of my hats. I gotta go take the trash out. I know it's been like a year since I've been on YouTube, but what's the deal? Man, I can't find none of my hats. Let's see if my fiance, let's see if she knows my stuff.
Put your snow pants on.
I'm not putting my snow pants on.
Why?
Have you seen my hat? I'm vlogging. I got time to vlog.
Okay. Why are you vlogging me and I look a whole mess?
Hey Tabby, time to go to bed. Is she gonna actually go to bed?
No.
Yeah, watch this. She about to scream. Riley sleep already. Savvy about to scream. She about to scream. She about to go crazy. There you go. She getting started. She already know what's happening, so. Uh-oh. She heard you. There she goes. There she goes, ladies and gentlemen. But she gotta go to bed, man. She can't. It's too late. It's 11:30. It's too late. So.
She'll be okay.
Yeah, she'll be alright. Got some snow out
Yo,
there.
we got a whole bunch of snow.
This is going on DJ Don.
Uh-oh.
This ain't Traveling Young.
Oh, I don't care.
This is going on TA Don. I'm sorry.
We got a whole bunch of snow and he can't bring his stupid car out because of all this snow. So he has to take my car everywhere. So, those of you that have a Challenger, TA, whatever, you can't drive it here in Michigan in the snow. So, and you can't put car seats in the car. Really, for real. Like, comfortably.
They in
The
there.
kids was smushed in the back
They
of
are.
the
The
car.
car seats are in there.
But they was smushed.
But are they in there?
But they wasn't comfortable.
Did they get in there?
They wasn't comfortable.
Were they strapped down correctly?
But they were not comfortable.
But they were in there.
Legs were like this in the car.
That's only because I was choosing to drive the way I was choosing with my seat. But she was strapped down comfortably.
No, sure.
To us. Anyway. Where you see my hat, man? I can't go out there with a hat. They saying snow blowing and stuff. You had it. See, she always move my stuff and don't know where she put it.
I didn't have his hat.
It's not the hat that I wanted, but
We'll send it back to you.
the Lions head coach was just on the TV too after I just said I didn't want this hat. They gotta win some games for me to wear this again. That's why I was in the closet. I really don't like this hat, but I'm only gonna be out for a second.
Exactly, so relax.
I got too much hair on.
Took off my own foot.
I got too much hair on my head. I got too much hair on my head for this hat.
Okay, but I just tripped off my own foot.
Who cares?
I don't understand.
I don't care.
It hurt my own foot.
Yeah, I'm going out in shorts. I'm going out in shorts. Is that a good idea?
Well, that's on you.
I probably should put some pants on.
You want to get them on.
And this is about to be my first time outside since the big old snowstorm. So I don't know how it's about to be. Man, yeah, I need to go get a haircut. Alright, put y'all back there. I gotta find some pants. I'm pretty sure I just ripped these. I'm definitely matching. That's more like it. Gotta put pros out, you know. It stinks down here. Stink, guys. Somebody got a diaper down here. Pretty sure it might be the garage. Huh? Feel like it might be the garage. Okay.
Could be you.
You gonna come help me take the trash out?
No, absolutely not.
Why not?
Because I'm eating my noodles.
It's your trash too?
I took it out last time when you.
I took it out last week.
No, when you were not even here, and I had to pull it out to the curb like a peasant.
Whatever.
GA Don.
What?
The back of your hoodie say GA Don.
First off, I'll show you what the back of the hoodie look like after I get done. But there she is. Woo, and it's definitely the garage that smells. Oh my God. Woo. It smells horrible. I don't even want to get too close. I'll wait. Okay, thank you. I don't want to get too close because she's so dirty. Dirty Dan. It's so quiet out here. It's nobody out here. Bro, it's like that's a major road up there. And nobody has went past yet. Oh, I hear a car. I hear one car. There it goes. It's not really that cold out here. The trash freaking stinks though. Need to air the garage out. So, yeah, it is kind of deep, I guess. I didn't think it was that much snow here. I don't know where I'm gonna put the trash at either, because I normally put it here, but I don't know when they're gonna come plow, and I don't want them to knock over my trash. Definitely not about to shovel right now because they're saying we're not done. Alright, let's get to this trash. Like, look at my footsteps. It's pretty deep. Buried. So I'm about to measure and see how much snow is really out there, because they were talking about 15 inches. I don't think it's 15 inches out there. Bring it here.
I don't want to go in the cold.
I didn't say you had to come outside. I said bring it here.
Is there a lot of snow? Boots are covered.
That's what I said. Yeah, my boots. You can see how like deep it was. Yeah.
I don't even.
We should take the girls out and then tomorrow.
I don't have any boots, so I can't go outside.
It's always an excuse.
I don't have no boots.
Yeah, sure. It's a little hard to do with one hand. Okay. Door just opened by itself. We got about almost 5 inches. Almost 5 inches of snow. Not too bad. Now, if we would have got that 10 to 15. If we would have got that 15. That would have been up there. That'd been crazy. I don't think I've ever seen that much snow. 15 inches. I'm gonna tell her it's 15 inches. It's 15 inches of snow out there.
That's not 15.
It's at 15. Come look for yourself. No, over a foot of snow, sorry. A foot is 12 inches.
Well, are we getting more?
Tonight, that's what they said. Baby girl, you look filthy. I really been neglecting you.
Yeah, sure.
She a little dirty.
Yeah, at least you're not outside in the cold.
I was gonna go get a wash before the snow came because I knew I wasn't gonna drive it. I knew it was just gonna sit in the garage until, you know, the streets get their life together. And then I was gonna pull it back out. Yeah. I should have cleared the snow off your car. Too bad. Alright. That took a lot out of me, man. I don't take trash out. We just moved out here, so. Man. So where do I begin? Of course, we got a big storm, as y'all can see. Can't talk too loud because the girl's asleep. Savannah actually stopped screaming. But yeah, man, it's been a long time coming. It's been a long time since I talked to y'all. I don't even remember what my last video was, and I think I said that in my last video. But what's up, y'all? Welcome back to TA Dive. I probably should have said that when I first started filming, but I just saw my camera in the closet and I said, you know what? I haven't vlogged in so long, so why not? As y'all can see, the TA has definitely been out this winter. Much different from last year, where you know, I barely got it out last year. Stayed in the garage. This year is a bit different. You know what I'm saying? If you saw my last video, I think my last video was I was having mixed feelings or whatever on the car. Which is still saying I don't think I'm gonna keep it, unfortunately. Do love the car, but look outside. Come on now. I need a pickup. Again, I had a pickup. Came from a pickup. I had a Ram Rebel. Came from that to that. And really, I came from that because I was tired of the pickup, like the speed, you know what I'm saying? And then I feel like I had to get that 392 out of me, you know, because I always wanted one. So I feel like I just had to get that out the way. So can check that off my list now. So I'm pretty sure my next vehicle will probably be a pickup truck. Not sure if it's gonna be another Ram or am I gonna go the GM route. I'm definitely not going the Ford route, so sorry Ford people. Let me turn this TV up. Cause I didn't even know Jay Leno had another show, but yeah, man. So that's where we at, man. I'm gonna start making more videos. I might try to take the TA out tomorrow and do something in the snow, if it ain't too bad. I gotta see if my homeboy Jay Baby is available, because if I get stuck, I know I'm gonna need some help. And he just got him a new Ram truck. I'll show y'all that too, because I don't think y'all seen it. He got some plans. So you know, hopefully he'll let me share the journey with y'all on YouTube. Y'all can see how his journey is gonna go with his pickup. And I believe he buying his too. So yeah, definitely today is a day that I need to pick up. I did work from home today, so I didn't have to worry about too much. I didn't have to worry about getting out. And my job is closed tomorrow because we're supposed to get more snow tonight. If that's gonna happen, I don't know. I don't care, they already called us off, so I'm cool with that. That's pretty much it, man. I think I covered everything. I'm gonna try to vlog again tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to vlog every day. I'm laughing because I know that ain't gonna happen, but I'm gonna try to vlog every day. Let's see how this go. You know what I'm saying? Try to get a little bit more involved. I'm with it if y'all with it. Let's see where this go, you know. Alright, but I think that's it for me. I'm about to edit this video and probably just put it out because, like I said, I ain't doing nothing else. I'm off tomorrow, so ain't like I gotta go to bed. It's almost midnight. It ain't like I gotta go to bed. And I ain't really tired because I took a long nap today. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Maybe tomorrow. It may be next week. Maybe next month. It may be in the summer. Nah, I'm definitely gonna try to do a video tomorrow since I'm off. And hopefully I can get my homeboy J Baby. We can go do something with his pickup. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next vlog, man.